Good morning, dear students. Today we will do lesson 7 activity that is given on the page number 58 of your book. Okay, so students, before starting this activity, first of all, I want to clear the different terms that are needed to solve this activity. These terms are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. The activity is group the animals according to their feeding habits in the table. Also write the organ they use for moving from one place to another. So in this picture, in this activity, you are seeing a number of pictures of animals to which you have to write their feeding habits in the table and also their locomotory organs, the organs that they needed during their movement. So first of all, I want to make you clear the term herbivores. Student, what are herbivores? The animals that feed on the grass and the plants and the leaves of plants. So it means we can say they eat only plant products, bark, leaves, grass and small short stems. Such examples I want to make you clear that herbivores are deer, rabbits and kangaroos, and another type of herbivores, cow, buffalo, all these are the herbivores. Now come to carnivores. Students, who are carnivores? The animals that eat the flesh of other animals, that only eat flesh of other animals. So carnivores, they have canines for that. Canines are the tearing teeth. With the help of these tearing teeth, they tear the flesh of their prey. Prey means the animals which are attacked by them, which are haunted by them. So they tear the flesh of animals with the help of canines. So carnivores are the animals that eat the flesh of other animals. Examples: lion, tiger, leopard, fox. So all these are the carnivores. Many more examples are given in the table also. Omnivores, the animals that eat both plant products and the flesh of other animals, means they eat the plants like grass, leaves, bark, etc., and also the flesh of other animals, means they eat both the things. So they are called omnivores. In this category we can consider cat, dog, crow, etc. So with I have told you about the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, and the table is given to you. So you will write down first their feeding habit. In the first picture you are seeing monkey, then frog, eagle, crocodiles, zebra, then mouse, owl, this is whale, lion, giraffe, and you can say here it is perhaps it is cow. So you are seeing all these animals, so you have to write the feeding habit of these, and also you make another table in which you write the locomotory organs, the organs that they need for their movement. Like monkey, which type of organ they use for their movement, frog, eagle, and which type of they used by the crocodile, zebra and rat. So this is all about this activity that I have explained you. So student, you will do this activity in your notebook and you will send me the pic of your activity. So I am waiting for your activity. Have a good day, students.